Hi and welcome back. Quick video for you today. We're going to make some clam or scallop shells and a nice little feather shaped trinket dish. So we've got some clear resin and we've added some Vista pigment, stone grey, polar white, and then the final third one there is some imitation silver leaf in some clear resin. So just stirring them thoroughly, make sure it's all combined. As you can see, I'm wearing the usual gloves. Just, you must protect yourself. And I'm going to use a split cup. This is a split cup. It's made from silicone, so it's an easy cleanup. And what I've done is actually layered the different colours in the centre 3 sections. So the mould here, the feather one, has been lined. I've tried to line it with some of the silver leaf, and we're just gradually pouring the resin out of the split cup into the feather mould. And then we're going to stop and go round and do as much as we can to get rid of any little air pockets and bubbles that might be trapped and hidden within the mould itself. And we're going to take the lovely little micro brush. I love these brushes. I've got loads of them, but they're just so easy to use, very handy for this kind of thing. And then as you can see, it's settled a bit, so I'm trying to get that silver leaf to go down the sides by adding a little bit of the clear resin that I had also made up, left over to one side. So here we go, we're just topping up the mould. There we go. I love the marbling effect it's given. I'm just trying to poke down the additional bits of silver leaf. Not sure how well they're going to show up or not. Just squidging the mould, opening the sides, trying to get the resin to go down. Not too sure how good the marbling's going to look. And here we go. We're then pouring into the these lovely scallop shells. Wow, what an effect with the bubbles coming up to the surface. Love that. Love that. This is sped up a bit, and then just squidging all around the outsides, making sure that we haven't got any little air pockets hidden. There we go. Again, the marbling looks beautiful between the stone grey and the polar white. So here we go on demould, and already I can see that we've got loads of bubbles, or not bubbles anymore, little air holes, which is such a shame because I had big hopes for this. But anywho, we're going to progress on. Still, again, this is 24 hours later. Again, this resin, I don't know if it's the kind of resin it is or quite what. It's because, or maybe it's because we've got pigment added and the silver leaf, but it's still bendy. I mean, it is cured, but it's bendy. Oh, look, yeah. And all around the stem there, or the quill part of the feather, you have air pockets. But turning it over, and wow, the detail from this mould, it's beautiful. I mean, unfortunately, a lot of the silver leaf has got hidden. Even the silver leaf that we applied separately to the mould. Yeah, but it's still a beautiful piece. And here we go, just with demoulding the shell. Same things happened with the shell. We've got little, well, the effect of bubbles, little air pockets, unfortunately. So these two pieces won't be going up for sale in our shop in the future. I'm going to sort out the little air pockets, I think, the ones that are visible on the top, and then we're going to have them as display pieces in our bathroom on the windowsill. In fact, the shell itself, I think we're going to have as a soap dish. So yeah, I am still very pleased with them. As I say, it's a bit trial and error. Practice makes perfect, but still really pleased with this. It's still picked up the detail of the mould. One of my favourite moulds this is. Have a look back on our previous videos where we've used the same mould, similar technique to make some beautiful silver metallic shells. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed this. We will be releasing some more videos coming up soon. There we are. There's the final 3 pieces together. They're going to look fabulous in my bathroom. We'll be perfecting this particular project as well. You may see it in future videos. But thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Hope you're all keeping well, and we will see you again very, very soon.